Take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. You got it. Oh, come on. Mark, you know you're bow-legged? Yeah, you walk like you're bow-legged. You run like you're bow-legged. Yeah, he's like riding a horse down first base. Yep. Nice shot, brother. That'll work. Go, bow-leg. Look at that. There it is. Go to it. Go three. He's got all that.
Good rip, baby. Good rip.
The blinding speed.
Uh-oh. Hey, man, what the hell? This is not cool.
Oh my gosh! Watch out, train! Watch out, train!
Go around. Go, everyone go! Oh, great. Regis, were you looking at the bird flying in the outfield? Is that why you fell?
Oh, you're easy, easy.
Kim, Kelly. All right, someone's got to cover the base. Go back to the base. Go to.
That did not sound right.
Straight up. Good job, 9.
You do sound like Woody Woodpecker, right?
Yes.
You think you'd be pleased with a name like Woody?